What if I told you that saving your first £10,000 before you turn 25 is not only possible, but easier than you think? I'm going to show you the exact 6 steps that can get you there, even if you're starting from zero. Stick around because step 4 alone could save you thousands in missed opportunities. All right, let's dive into the first and most crucial step to financial freedom. Track your money. It's built on a powerful truth. You cannot manage what you cannot measure. This isn't about restriction, it's about gaining clarity and control. It's about moving from a state of constant anxiety over your bank balance to a place of genuine power. This is the non-negotiable foundation upon which your entire financial future will be built, so listen closely. Honestly, most of us are flying blind. We get that payday high, then a few weeks later we're staring at our account wondering where it all vanished. But technology is your best friend here. Forget messy spreadsheets. Apps like Monzo, Starling, or YNAB do the heavy lifting. They connect to your accounts and automatically categorize every transaction in real time, giving you a crystal clear picture of your financial life right in your pocket. Now prepare for the financial facepalm moment. It's that jolt of shock when you see the numbers laid out bare. The average person discovers they're spending around £200 more per month than they thought. That's nearly £2,500 a year just gone. But don't let that shock become shame. This is a moment of pure revelation. This is the point where you stop being a passenger and finally grab the steering wheel. So, where's this money going? It's time to hunt for the money leaks. These are the small purchases that bleed your account dry. That daily coffee, forgotten streaming subscriptions, and late-night food delivery. We also need to watch out for lifestyle creep, that sneaky habit of spending more as you earn more, upgrading your car or phone without a second thought. And then there are those tempting buy now, pay later deals. These small amounts compound into thousands. The goal isn't to cut out all fun, it's to become a conscious spender, making sure your money funds the life you actually want. Step 2, automate your savings. Pay yourself first before you pay anyone else. Set up an automatic transfer for the day after payday. Even £200 per month becomes £2,400 per year. When it's automatic, you can't spend what you don't see. Your future self will thank you. Step 3, kill lifestyle creep. This is the silent wealth killer that keeps people broke forever. It creeps up on you, one small upgrade at a time. Think of it as a financial hamster wheel. You run faster, earn more, but never get ahead. It's the reason someone earning £80,000 a year can feel just as broke as when they earned £30,000. It's a trap where your spending rises to meet your income, leaving you with nothing to show for your hard work. You get a promotion, earn more money, but immediately upgrade your lifestyle. New job, new phone, same broke cycle. You justify a nicer flat, more expensive holidays, and constant takeaways because you deserve it. That I deserve it mindset is a dangerous justification. Social media fuels this, creating pressure to keep up. The result? You're working harder for more money, but your financial stress level remains exactly the same, just with nicer stuff. Instead, keep living like you earned your old salary and bank the difference. The most effective way is to automate it. The moment your higher paycheck lands, set up an automatic transfer for the extra amount straight into a separate savings or investment account. This removes the temptation to spend it and makes saving your default setting. Out of sight, out of mind. For any big, non-essential purchase you're tempted by, apply the 30-day rule. Just wait a month. This pause separates impulse from intention. A £5,000 raise with controlled spending means £5,000 more in savings, not £5,000 more in expenses. That extra cash isn't just for one nice thing, it's a seed for your future. Invested, it starts working for you, growing through compounding. This is how you turn a pay rise into genuine freedom, not just a fancier, more stressful cage. It's the single most powerful habit for building real wealth, creating a powerful gap between what you earn and what you spend. Step 4 is all about making your money work as hard as you do by using the right accounts. Because if your savings are just sitting in your current account, you're actually losing money. It's because of a silent wealth killer called inflation. Every year, the cost of things goes up. But the money in your 0.1% interest account doesn't. It's like trying to run up a down escalator. You need to get your money into an account that can actually grow. So let's break it down. For your emergency fund and short-term goals, money you might need in the next 1 to 3 years, move it into a high-yield savings account. These are still super safe, often FSCS protected and easy to access, But instead of earning next to nothing, you could be earning 4 or 5%. It's the single easiest upgrade you can make to your finances. Now, for your long-term goals, like saving for a house deposit in 5+ years or just building serious wealth, consider a stocks and shares ISA. Don't let the name scare you. You don't need to be a Wall Street trader. Most people simply invest in a low-cost global index fund. This is like buying a tiny slice of thousands of the world's biggest companies, from tech giants to household brands. It's the ultimate form of diversification, spreading your risk so you're not reliant on the fortunes of just one company. This is where the magic happens. It's called compound interest. At 5% interest, your £10,000 becomes £12,763 in 5 years without you adding another penny. But wait 20 years, and that same £10,000 could be over £26,500. That's the power of your money making money, which then makes even more money. The best part? With an ISA, all of that growth is completely tax-free. The government gives you a generous £20,000 allowance each tax year. But here's the catch. It's a use it or lose it deal. You can't roll over any unused allowance. Every April, the counter resets. Don't leave that free money on the table. Start today, even with a small amount. Your future self will be incredibly grateful you did. Step 5. Increase your income. Cutting expenses has limits, but earning potential is unlimited. Start a side hustle, tutoring, delivery driving, freelancing, selling online. Even £300 extra per month is £3,600 per year. The key is funneling every extra pound directly into savings, not lifestyle upgrades. Multiple income streams accelerate your path to £10,000 exponentially. Step 6. Avoid debt traps. Credit cards, buy now, pay later, and payday loans are wealth destroyers. A £1,000 credit card debt at 22% APR takes 5 years to pay off with minimum payments, costing £1,500 total. Every pound in debt is a pound not earning compound interest in your favor. If you can't afford it with cash, you can't afford it. Period. Let's recap. Track your money, automate savings, kill lifestyle creep, use the right accounts, increase income, and avoid debt traps. Follow these 6 steps consistently, and £10,000 before 25 isn't just possible, it's inevitable. If this helped you, subscribe for more Gen Z finance tips. Your future wealthy self is counting on the decisions you make today. Now it's your turn. Grab your phone, grab your notebook, set your first money goal, no matter how small. Take 5 minutes today to track your spending, or automate a tiny savings transfer. Every step counts. Remember, you're not alone. There's a whole community here rooting for you. Drop your progress. Drop your tips. Drop your questions in the comments. Let's help each other win. Who knows? Your story could inspire someone else to start their journey. Hit that share button if you're ready to grow your wealth. Subscribe for more real-world money moves. Your financial freedom starts with what you do next. So let's get started together.